Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new, which you most likely are. If you are new, please hit subscribe below. We're trying to hit 200 before my birthday on March 19th, so it would be great if you could join the family. Okay, that was embarrassing. So today is a very exciting video. We actually have a sponsor for today's video, which is crazy. Inkbox has kindly reached out to me and asked me to partner with them on a video, and I'm so excited. So Inkbox is launching their For Now ink, which is a new ink with new technology, which is so exciting. And basically what Inkbox is a brand who makes tattoos for those of us who can't commit, or who just want to experiment and try new things and, you know, really match our body to our style. These tattoos are for now, which means they provide the flexibility that you need to express you now and not forever. The ink develops on your skin within 24 to 36 hours and then lasts up to 1 to 2 weeks, which is great because they give you that like really cool look, so you can prank your friends and family, or you can just like rock a really cool look, test a really cool look, whatever you want. So these are the 3 tattoos that I got. I do have 2 of them on now, which I will show you later, but the one that I don't have on yet is the Edison light bulb. They come in such cool packaging. They look like little vinyl sleeves, which I'm so in love with, and I'm saving the packaging for my wall. So I'm gonna take you guys along my night routine, like my after school, what I do, and I'll check back in with you guys later to show you guys the finished tattoos. So this is kind of what happens when I get home from school. Now I'm gonna do my Inkbox tattoos. Welcome back to my bathroom. You've been here before. This won't be the last time you're here, but I've got 2. They sent me 3, and these are the 2 that I'm doing right now because I honestly think that these, all of them are adorable, but these are the ones that I think go with my vibe the most this week. I love the way that they come packaged. I think the record sleeve vibe is adorable. I don't know if that's what they were going for, but it looks really cool. I'm really excited to try these. So let's just get into it. So in it, so you just kind of like pull on this tab and the tattoo packet comes out, and you have the tattoo itself, which is on here. And then you have the instructions, it looks like, the seal, and then the primer wipe. It actually doesn't come with instructions inside. You have to check out this link, so I'm gonna pull that up on my phone. Okay, so first you open this primer wipe, and then I'm thinking of putting it right here, so I'm just exfoliating my skin and cleaning off the surface of my skin with the primer wipe. Okay, so you just rip this open, pull out the tattoo, remove the white part, and then take the sticky side and just adhere it to your skin. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! And then you peel off the white liner of the protective seal here, and then you just put it on top of your tattoo, and then you just chill for an hour. So I'm gonna actually go do some homework for an hour while this sits, and then once this one's done, I'll do the next one, and we're chilling. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I am about 50 minutes in to waiting on this one. It has honestly been so like easy. I do have like a little bit of like restricted mobility in this arm. That's been really good because I've just been sitting at my desk like doing homework and studying and watching YouTube. So yeah, I have about 11 minutes left, or no, 10 minutes left, and I will be going to peel this off very soon. So the hour is now up, and I am just going to peel this away now. It's supposed to develop within 24 hours, so I'll check back in with you guys again tomorrow night for sure. Now, we are going to go make dinner, and I'm going to do the next one before I go to bed so that I can study some more then let's go make dinner. And here's my dinner. I have Beyond Meat, black beans, onions, and Mexican rice. So I've just finished eating and I put my leftovers in a Tupperware container so that I can take it for lunch tomorrow. I'm just gonna put my hair up and brush my teeth and take you guys on my night routine. To clean my makeup off, I use this microfiber cloth. It's just stained. I've had it for a few months now, so. Once I have my makeup off, I wash my face. This is the Sephora amino acid wash. I just use this much, not that you can really see. Hello. And then I just pat my face dry just now. I just did that. And then while I let it like air dry the rest, I'm gonna brush my teeth and then I'm gonna put a mask on. Now I'm doing this Laneige water sleeping mask in lavender. So the scent relaxes and hydrates my skin because it's the winter. That's my night routine. Now I'm just going to go to bed. So this is the Michelangelo tattoo morning after. This is the Amour de Soi tattoo morning after. I kind of screwed it up. You can kind of see around there where I screwed it up, but I think it still looks pretty cool. I have no issues with it. And this is not a bruise, this is just makeup. Alright guys, we are back and these are the finished tattoos. On here I have the Michelangelo tattoo and the Amour de Soi tattoo. This one I just thought spoke to the channel's message a lot. It means self-love in French. And this one I just thought was really cool and artsy. So yes, that's all for this week's video. Thank you so much to Inkbox for partnering with me on this. It was so great to work with you guys and I hope to do it again soon in the future. If you want to check any of their tattoos out, check out how to apply it. The links are all below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. And again, subscribe so we can hit 200 before my 20th birthday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!